Welcome.
What's up, it's your boy Kevious and I'm back at it with another video. And as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the up and coming Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined. But before we jump into this unboxing, if you're a returning subscriber, thank y'all for tapping back in. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you stick around. And if you end up enjoying this content, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all the new content that I put out. So with that being said, let's get to this unboxing. Okay, we have the box here. I just got delivered like an hour ago. Luckily, I was able to get these on the shock drop. Waited like almost like 30 minutes after the release actually happened, just stuck on pending. And a lot of people was going through that, but luckily I was able to get my pair. Really excited to see how these look because a lot of people have mixed reviews on this sneaker particularly. Jordan Bred 4, they did a little retwist, adding the leather upper instead of the nubuck, which some people just truly love for as OGs. But I think it's just something different. I'm really excited to see how these look. So you guys will be getting my honest review and first look opinion once I open this here. So let's get this box open. So here we have it. The Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined. They did a little twist on the box. Usually the cement print is on the bottom, but they flipped it around with this release here with the cement print on the top and the black on the bottom. You have your red Jumpman with flight and white. Going to the side, you have the Nike Airhead in the top corner with the size tag and the details and the colorway of it. Once you take the lid off, you read it with the white cement paper. Take one of the shoes out. So here you have it, the Jordan Bred 4 Reimagined. Honestly, I think they nailed it with this release here. The quality of the leather is plush, is really good. I think these going to break in great, honestly. No glue stains, the stitching is nice, neat. Yeah, just the quality of the shoe, it feels good. Like the quality of the shoe is good. From the photos, I thought the leather wasn't going to be as good, but in hand, yeah, this leather is pretty good. What I prefer is over the OG with the nubuck. Honestly, I would take this over the OG, mainly because you will be able to get more wears out of this sneaker as far as the leather upper. And I think personally, this shoe is going to break in and it's going to age well compared to the nubuck. Because once the nubuck, you wear it on a rainy day or anything like that, once it starts to get ashy and starts to get dirty, it's like, it's a wrap. That's why I would lean more towards the leather Bred 4. Just because you would be able to get more wears out of it, and I think it will look better once it's broken in. You have the leather upper with your gray hits. You have the black hang tag with Nike Air, which is a nice little twist instead of it being the typical orange, like how it used to be on the OGs. Of course, you have the Nike Air on the back. You have the white midsole with the gray hit towards the front. When it comes to the sole, you have the gray, white, and red hits with the Nike Air in the middle. You also have the Jumpman on the tongue. Now, a lot of people are really liking the cut of this Jordan 4, and I really see what they're saying now. They really got it from the Jordan 4 SBs, and I really enjoy that cut. The tongue is actually more puffier than the last release of the Jordan Bred 4. Really look forward to seeing how these fit on feet with the extra cushioning that they did from the Jordan 4 SB. But yeah, really nice sneaker. The quality is definitely good. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy it if you get your hands on a pair. Yeah, just typical Jordan Bred 4. Like I mentioned before, a lot of people have a lot of mixed reviews. They prefer the OGs, they don't like the retwist, but I just think it's something different. Due to the fact that it's a Bred 4 OG Reimagined, I think they did the right choice with doing the leather upper. Very tumble, very plush. Like I mentioned before, no glue stains, the stitching is nice and neat. The quality control, I'm pretty sure it's going to be there. No extra laces, of course. Black laces, here on the insole. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm thinking about aging these just a little bit. If you guys would want a video on that, just leave it down in the comments below. But I'm definitely planning on aging these just a little bit, because I think they will look a little bit more better, as far as my opinion and my preference, if they're aged just a little bit, just a little retwist. So really happy with this pickup. So I'm gonna try these on and give you guys a few shots of the on-foot visual, and then I'll come back to you guys for the closing. The shoe releases this Saturday. I hope you guys are able to get your hands on a pair. Definitely something to have in the collection. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.